Mockups are one of the best ways to display your designs. Logos, software interfaces, a photography portfolio, or even a fashion brand. Every design will stand out with the right mockup. That's why we introduce you to our 10 best mockup scene generators. All the items on this list are from Envato Elements, a subscription-based service that gives you unlimited access to stunning assets like print templates, web page kits, stock video, and more, saving you effort, resources, and most importantly, your time. Find the link in the description below. Number 10. Hero Stationery Mockup Creator by Andre28. This pack is a complete and colossal stationery mockup creator, including more than 150 items like a keyboard, mouse, hats, monitors, wine bottles, and much, much more. This pack gives a realistic effect to your designs on different surfaces and gives each of your designs a professional finish. Number 9. Stationery Branding Mockup Creator by VizconViz. Create great-looking stationery mockups with this pack. It's easy to use and fully customizable. MacBooks, iPhones, paper tubes, business cards, and more. There are 80 different items so you can create the best stationery scene for your business. And with such high resolution, these mockups are perfect for print or digital output. Number 8. MacBook Laptop Display Web App Mockup by It's Chroma. Number 8 on our list is a super high detailed MacBook Pro mockup. Look at the keyboard, the touch bar, the USB-C input. This mockup is perfect for promoting your app, web page, or photography portfolio. You can even change the background to make an aesthetic contrast between your design and the location. Number 7. Hero Maker by Simon OK. Your homepage is the first thing a visitor sees. Draw your customers in and connect with them using this pack. It includes over 300 images. Change the background, drag the items wherever you want, and you're ready to showcase unique banners, presentations, or social covers. Just drag and drop. Number 6. Artbox Artistic Mockup Kit by Pixflow. This pack is a must-have if you're running a creative or artistic brand. Colors, notebooks, glasses, markers, watercolor, and hundreds of unique items to choose from. This kit includes 12 vintage badges, 20 background textures, and 14 pre-made scenes. Just add your logo and create stunning designs. Before moving into the top 5, make sure to leave us a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Number 5. Martinica Moodboards Collection by Pixel Buddha Graphic. Nature has always been inspirational for an artist. You can use flower petals, shells, paper, and fabric textures to beautify your design with this collection. Your download includes 70 PSD elements to express your individuality and 5 pre-made PSD scenes to be filled with your text, graphics, and emotions to share. Number 4. Hero Kitchen Essentials Mockup Creator by Banging Joints. If your brand is food related or you're running a restaurant, don't miss this pack. Your logo will look realistic and your brand will be perfectly situated at the center of each item. This pack includes 45 different items and 3 pre-made scenes that will give your design photorealistic results. Number 3. T-shirt and packages mockups and scene generator by Creative Form. You don't have to be an expert designer to create t-shirts or hoodies. With 100 isolated images, 10 pre-made scenes, 8 photo presets, and 9 different textures, use this pack as an attractive website header or a social media or printed catalog. Download the files and simply drag and drop your graphics to showcase your latest merchandise. Number 2. Branding Mockup Essentials Volume 4 by Genetic96. Stationery scenes never looked so pretty. Filled with wood and paperboard textures, this pack looks so clean that your brand will definitely stand out, surrounded by beautiful, realistic items. All files display up to 4K for the most demanding high-res displays. Number 1. Desktop Mockup Creator by Moxco. The gold medal goes to this beautiful desktop mockup creator. This kit is perfect for graphic or web designers, game devs, photographers, basically everybody. You could use it for header, presentations, website mockups, or to promote your software interface in a more exciting way. That's our Envato Elements 10 best mockup scene generators. Watching all these beautiful workspaces reminded me that I have to clean mine. Ugh. Anyway, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of our videos. You might want to look at the video shown on your screen. You'll like it. It's selected just for you. See you next time.